DJI Mini 3. This 4K video resolution aerial drone bundle with remote control is a compact, ultra-lightweight camera drone ready for adventure. It features an extended battery life, stunning 4000 HDR video to capture true-to-life color and detail, and fun features like true vertical shooting for fantastic shots for social media. Whether walking on the beach, weekend backpacking, or month-long road tripping, you'll be prepared to capture every moment. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Fly safer and farther than ever before with the Mini 4 Pro drone. Fly more combo plus with an RC2 controller from DJI. Instead of tri-directional, the Mini 4 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance for complete protection. Using Okasonic 4, the flight range is improved to up to 12.4 miles versus the 7.5 miles of the Mini 3 Pro. Other new features include slower motion in 4K at 100 fps and complex route planning using Active Track. The Mini 4 Pro remains beginner-friendly at roughly 8.8 ounces with a host of automatic flight modes, in addition to true vertical shooting for social media-ready footage without post-processing. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The built-in brushless motor makes the drone resist level 5 wind and fly stably. The drone is equipped with a CMOS Sony sensor. It can shoot 12 MP photos and 4000 at 30 frames per second HD video. The exclusive Shake Manish tech helps to take more stable and smoother images within 118 degrees FOV and a vertical 20 to 90 degrees camera. The Surgifly flight control system provides beginner mode and 3 flight modes, video, normal, and sport, allowing you to challenge your skills as you become an advanced pilot with flexible and easy flight control experience. In sport mode, the max speed can be up to 16 minutes per second. The Atom SE 4000 drone comes with 2 intelligent 2500 mAh batteries, each battery running up to 31 minutes, for a total of 62 minutes. Fly more, charge less. It gives you more freedom to record the creative moments around you. DJI Air 3s. If the DJI Air 3 was a great drone, the Air 3s would be a slightly greater one. While that might sound like faint praise, the relatively minor upgrade makes the Air 3s a very capable drone, and the best choice for enthusiasts who want a multi-camera setup without having to spend more money on the Mavic 3 Pro. The Air 3's excellent all-round camera performance, safe and simple flying, and long battery life make it a brilliant buy for more demanding users who are willing to put up with the regulatory requirements its weight presents. Those who already own an Air 3 probably shouldn't look to trade up, however. Holy Stone Drone. This 4000 EIS drone with UD camera is the ultimate drone for adults and beginners alike. With its remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable angle, you can broaden your view and capture stunning footage from a new perspective. Plus, the 5G's fifth transmission guarantees longer and smoother image transmission up to 1640 feet, allowing you to capture every moment in detail. Equipped with brushless motors, it provides a longer lifetime and spares you from motor maintenance. Additionally, the drone comes with a carrying bag, making it easy to take the drone out and store it when not in use. Order now and take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 series features next-level imaging performance. Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera system ushers in a new era of camera drones by housing 3 sensors and lenses with different focal lengths. The drone ensures you fly safely and creates peace of mind. 8 vision sensors work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. Equipped with a Hasselblad camera and dual-tel cameras, Mavic 3 Pro is a triple-camera drone that unlocks new shooting perspectives, allowing you to embrace creative freedom further, capture fascinating scenery, explore photographic storytelling, and make cinematic masterpieces. DJI Neo Mini Drone. At 135G, the DJI Neo is DJI's lightest and most compact drone to date. Take off and land on your palm effortlessly without a remote controller, and capture cinematic footage with you in focus. Soar through breathtaking scenery, indoors and out, and be sure to include everybody in a group photo. Equipped with AI algorithms, Neo can follow the subject within the frame, so you can set up captivating following shots with ease. Smart tracking direction track spark creativity with quick shots with just a flick of your finger. Let DJI Neo automatically film for you. Enjoy a fresh perspective on everyday life with DJI Neo. It gracefully takes off and lands on your palm. Thanks for staying with me.